Okay, we're looking at a 2014 Sabre, Palomino Sabre, model number 36QBOK Platinum Edition. 2 ACs, power awning, 4 slides. You've got the fiberglass nose in the front right there. Power leveler awnings with the stabilizer bars, and there's a power awnings and the power levelers in the rear too. This has 2 bathrooms in this. This is an excellent setup right here where you can have friends over and they can use this bathroom right here, and that goes into the bunkhouse in the back there. I don't know if you can see it with the light. This is very cool. Outside kitchen. I like that big time. Full body paint. Nice stripes in it, and they're not delaminated or anything. You've got a, well, I guess that would be a bicycle rack or something, so if you travel you can put a bunch of stuff there. This was a Florida unit. Been in Florida for the last 2 years since the people moved down here and stayed down here. 50 amp cord. 3 slides on this side. All the gel coat looks perfect. You don't need to buff or wax it or anything. Outstanding unit. Let me try to pull away so you can kind of get an idea how big this thing is. It's called a 36 whatever it was, but I bet you it's like 38 feet maybe. Tires look perfect all the way around. They're the originals, I'd imagine. And that's about it. Wow, very nice coach.